Hey, this is Jeremiah with Warmboard again. Out here in Altadena, California, back at the El Molino project. Guys have been making progress on the job, Eric and his job. We've got drywall in, rough drywall. S-panels was the base of this. Now we have hardybacker or cement board over the top of the surface of it. So the contractor went down and basically made red lines, outlining all the tubing. Really easy, it's in our install guide to show, so you know where not to screw. It's really simple, just follow the procedure. So check it out, some great neat things in this job. Beautiful architecture, beautiful angles. It's gonna be a great ADU once this is finished up.